Hi guys, and welcome back to Red Sky. Right now we've been pushed out of the main rooms and decided to regroup. So this is a little while after the last video. We've regrouped, rearmed, and we're about to make a heavy push back into the rooms we earlier controlled.
All I can say.
The Demus room to the right is an objective room and also a respawn point throughout the day. Our objective right now is to find a PC analyst who will help us hack the computer and get the codes to disarm the nuclear bomb. As we move up past it to get a better foothold, we come under heavy enemy resistance.
Red team!
Those two doorways to the left actually lead straight down to the enemy CP. Little did I realise this at the time, thinking that the doorways dead ahead and to the left were both the same team, when they are in fact TAF and Tech Squad.
Medic!
And there I take a hit from the doorway dead ahead. The medic doesn't give me time to get there, so I decide just to walk back to respawn. We managed to make a heavy push onto this doorway here, which gives us good firing lines to both ways. As you can see, the laser keeps on flashing from all over, so we know there is at least one player in that room.
No clue. One dead ahead, one in that room over there. Ah, hit! Not that I can see now. There's one straight over there. There's one dead ahead on the top as well. Dude, just respawn! Dude, respawn! Respawn behind you!
We get told just before this that the respawn is an instant respawn. On medic, you still have the 1 minute bleed out. So right now that we control this room, it's easier to get the instant respawn than wait the minute bleed out for the medic.
Move out!
Right here, personally, I think I should have been a bit more aggressive and tried moving up again, because it just slowed as soon as we got into that room. Right here, this is where team play should have been at work, but sadly it wasn't. There's only 3 of us in this room, while the rest of the team is outside. Sadly, just after reload, we take a hit to the head.
What? Guys, behind!
While we're trying to push forward on this wall here, we start hearing calls that they're behind us. So some of us split off and decide to move back to protect our rear, so our whole team doesn't get taken out like last time. Sadly, I think they're further into the room and then take a direct hit straight as I'm running past. So I move straight back to respawn. come back in. Now that they're attacking, there's a 1 minute bleed out in this room.
Oh, come on. Three in the room now. There's three in the room over there. Seriously.
And as these enemies make their final push, I do take a hit, and that's the end for me for right now. Anyway guys, thank you for watching, and tune into the next video. We'll be trying to hold this room and make even deeper pushes into Fortress City. Thank you very much guys, and I'll see you in the next video.